Good morning, everyone. Sorry that been a while I haven't come in and talked to you all, but I just about to get a client come in soon, but I just come and talk to you a little bit about I did say that the number one key that bring my success, that means I always have enough client to work with, and I always have the client that come back and recommend new client to me. So let me share with you the story. A few months ago, I got a mom who that come with me for a few years now. She is a teacher. And I did her hair a few times before that. As a teacher, I always try to find that how can I give her the beautiful look and low maintenance, because I just really want to help her out. So her hair is very frizzy and she kind of have dark hair. So what I suggest her that do a couple highlight and then recurl with the gray, and then after that I do keratin straight for her, because I think this way, I think that she's very busy mom, and then she wake up, she need to get ready to get out the door very soon. So that's why I'm care about her. I think about that for her, and actually she's very busy, but she still have professional beautiful hair every day. Long story short, she was got her hair done, and she just feel amazing with herself, and she keeps sending me a message. She feels so good about after I done for her, and I done the keratin, I done the color, and I try to make it as in her budget as I can, because I really want to help her. So that's why I don't charge a lot of money, because teacher, and I say that as she busy mom, I really want to help her. I'm care about her. I'm think about her. Probably 4 or 5 months ago, she sent me a message. She said to me that, hey Giang, I need your help, because my daughter, that she wake up and she was crying because she just doesn't know how to deal with her hair. But I had to swap things around and fit her in immediately to help that the teenager that feel good about herself. So I book her in, and then after that, I sit and listen and see that what actually she feel she need help. So what I hear that she say to me that she doesn't like her hair color, she doesn't like the hair, it's too frizzy, it doesn't make she feel good. Her hair it's not like smooth and healthy and easy to maintain. So that she says she doesn't know what to do with that. So I listen to her and I say to myself, well, I am going to help her. And first I look at her hair and I can say that the color it was blonde, but it's brassy. And for me, that when I look at that and it's brassy and it doesn't look nice and it's too strong harsh line, and the root is kind of very harsh, that it makes she feel that she not in really not happy with herself. So I took over. It took me about 5 hours to fit her hair, to make her look more creamy blonde and no brassy, because she's student. So I don't want to judge her too much, because I really care about her. I really want to make her feel amazing for herself first. That's why I try to work it out, and I suggest her that let me do for you just half head. Underneath here, it doesn't matter. It's okay to look for that, but only on the top that need to fit. So where you can see that, so I did that for her color correction half head. After that, she's so happy, and she sent me a message the next day. Oh my God, I love my hair. Thank you so much. I received message from mom say, okay, thank you so much, Giang, because she is literally very different, and she's so happy, and she look like more proactive and really get go. She doesn't like before. She lack confidence. She doesn't feel she need to do something, but now she just amazing, and she say thank you so much. I have make me feel I have new daughter, and she's just amazing. And she keeps sending me a message to say thank you. Yesterday, she came back again. I did her hair again, and she sent me a message this morning to say thank you so much, Giang. My hair look perfect. Share with you. So, number one, I care about my client, about how can I give the hair that make them feel amazing for themselves every day, which means when I look at her hair, I feel that I think that in the long term. So that number one key that bring me to success, that the care. I'm really care about my client. How do they feel? What make them not happy with? So how can I help them? That's why I say that if you are actually you don't have enough clientele, or you don't have enough client to work with, just start to think and care about your client and see that what else do they need help, what else they actually want your help or make them feel better. So, and then when they see the result, when they got the feeling amazing with that, they have the happiness for their day, which means they will always remember you, and every time people compliment on their hair, and they will talk about your services. That is for me, that I have so many clients that met my client on the street, on the restaurant, or anywhere, and those people come to see me just because they see my client hair, and then my client to talk about my services. That's why they confident and come to see me. So that is for today. So if you are some of you that really want to be specialized on blonde and balayage, I am here to help you. That I want to help you to up your skill to the next level. Then you have the confidence, and then you help your client. When you help your client have a good hair, no brassy, no orange looking, that make them come to see you. Okay? So let me know that you can DM me, or you can message below if you need help, or you have anything that you want me to answer or things like that. Just let me know. All right. So hope you have a good day. My client coming soon, and I will talk to you later. Bye for now.